Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today's video is going to feature 10 popular DIY project ideas that you can try from TikTok. So this first one involves some wooden sticks. She's just simply gluing those together. Adding some gold paint. And she was able to create this really cool decor piece. Now you could take this a step further and add more pieces, hang it on the wall. A lot of room for creativity here. So moving on to DIY number 2. Looks like this one involves some more gold. Now for those of you who are subscribed to the channel, you know my obsession with gold and when it comes to home decor. So it looks like she spray painted those white roses gold and then pretty much just framed them. I really like the simplicity of this. Oh, that is cool. And you can use whatever size frame you want, whatever color roses you want. I really like this idea as well. So DIY number 3. Now this one is a little bit more colorful for those of you who like the color-inspired decor pieces. So she's taking like the different colored paper and then gluing them to this vase. I feel like this makes for a really unique piece, definitely something different, and it will add a nice amount of color to your space. Very cool idea. So the next DIY also involves a vase design. So she's taking those little like felt stickers. And that really added a nice amount of texture. And then she did this pretty pastel pink color for the vase. I really like this. And that felt really just as a nice texture. This is like so springy. Like I'm getting really inspired for spring decor. Alright, so here we have some cardboard. Gluing the pieces together, adding in some foil. Oh, it looks like she's making a giraffe. Oh, it's blowing bubble gum. Oh, that's cute. Now, this is obviously for like a kiddo, but I like this idea. Okay, and then we have some type of centerpiece design. Fairy lights. Now that's pretty, nice and simple. And we have an action DIY that involves some frames. So many different items that you can create using frames. Okay, so she simply glued these together. Now, I've seen this project being done several different times before. I think the unique aspect that she uses is that she adds a base in the middle, and you can pretty much, add whatever flowers or foliage that you want to, depending on the season, and I really like that idea. So there's the vase that's being used. Nice simple matte black. Very nice. And then we have another DIY. This one looks like it involves some paper towel rolls. You could probably use toilet paper rolls as well. And then she has a basic hoop here that she's gluing these pieces to. And the design that she's creating just kind of gives off like that leaf effect. This is gorgeous. Sometimes the most like simple decor pieces can just be so beautiful. And then we have something called relief art. So they have some clay here for this one. Cut up into little squares. These are then shaped. I think that this is really cool. It's probably called relief art because it releases stress. Sometimes when you're doing your own artwork piece, it really can just release that stress. I don't know if you guys have ever tried that. I love the way that this turned out. This is just so beautiful. Look at that. I love the color scheme. And then we have a candle holder. So this is that ruffled candle holder that we're seeing floating around TikTok. I like the fact that this is done in black. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.